This very special makeup step-by-step is on my friend Natalie. She's the mom to toddler twins and another child who's special needs. Now, from her Instagram, you'd think that Natalie is living a charmed life, but you can never tell the experience of someone's life when looking from the outside. Natalie gave up a thriving modeling career to focus on her family, and I have a feeling she's missing her old creative life. So we're bringing the photo shoot to her house in hopes that we can give her a little bit of balance and give her some freedom from those burnt-out mom feelings. So I'm bringing all my blendable goodies from Merit and Kosas and Ilia, and I'm bringing some skincare devices, new technology from Korea. The first one is LED Ultrasound. This one plumps the wrinkles from the inside out to release the lines and grow new collagen, which gives skin its bounce. Usually it gets this reaction.
Oh my God,
are you okay?
I need this.
I know, this is, okay.
Yeah.
It's ultrasound, and it's red light therapy. You also have blue and green light, so it's stimulating collagen. It's also LED ultrasound.
Oh, this feels so weird, but like so good.
You can tell it's really working and doing something, right?
Yeah.
I also brought the multi-award winning NuFace microcurrent. This one tightens the facial muscles underneath the skin. All the way up. Is this too much?
No, it feels really good.
Yeah, this one is tightening your facial muscles. My favorite primer is Kjer Weiss Beautiful Primer. It's what gives skin the appearance of just having had a facial. It gives you that lit from within radiance that I've never seen in any other primer. Nanoblur is for the T-zone area. It makes the skin look poreless and retouched in real life. This is Sexy Mother Plumper Pillow Plump Lip Plumper. For foundation, I'm using Merit Minimalist, which is their Perfecting Complexion Stick. This is both foundation and concealer in one, and I've never seen a product blend so well. Inglot Gel Eyeliner is the eyeliner you'll find in every makeup artist kit. I'm using it to tightline, which is going under the lashes. Then I go on top the lashes with an angled brush that's really thin, and I work the liner into the lashes. Now, I don't want it to look too dark, so I'm going over it with Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Color Chameleon eyeshadow eyeliner stick. It just blends everything out and makes it look just flawless and soft, not a hard line, even under the eyes. So I go in with the Color Chameleon, and then I take a brush with nothing on it and just smoke things out. Now I'm on to Saie SunMelt. This is the best bronzer formula I've ever used. I use it as an eyeshadow base, so right in the crease. I also use it on the nose to contour. And I will tell you that every time I go to Sephora to get this product, it's sold out. It is truly a very different blendable bronzing cream. Of course, I'm going to use it as a bronzer too, so I'm going in all over on cheeks and anywhere the sun would kiss. Now, the one thing you're not seeing in these camera angles is that Natalie is doing all this while her toddlers are sort of running amok. They're hilarious. I'm going with Kosas Airbrow. This is such a famous online product that went so viral. I'm back in with Merit Minimalist Complexion Perfecting Stick. I'm using it under the eyes, and I'll show you how I set my concealer. It's with a sprayer, a powder sprayer. Just take a tiny bit onto a puff, because you don't want to use too much, and then make that face, like open up all the creases and those tiny lines under the eyes and fill them in with just the tiniest bit of loose powder. I learned this from Nina's YouTube videos, and it really does keep your concealer from creasing. Now I'm using a deep burgundy L'Oreal mascara. It's not going to really show up as deep burgundy. That's so not the point. So you can wear this and you know that it'll be your own little secret weapon. It's just going to make Natalie's eyes look even more clearly green. So the only time someone would really see it is if you're outside in the sun. They'll be like, oh, is your mascara purple? Otherwise, you will have no idea that it's purple. You can't even really see it in this shot where I'm using the Kleenex to make sure no smudges get on her under eye. See how green her eyes look? Now I'm going in with Ilia's Warm Nude Essential Eyeshadow Palette. There are 2 luminizing shades, so start with a luminizing shade in the very center of the eyelid, and then you're going to build around and have that contrast of the matte shade around the outside, and you can get as dark as you want. We're going pretty soft right now, and I'm keeping it very, very blended. If there's anywhere I'm going to get dark, it's towards the outside corner of the lid, and I'll just keep blending that in with a brush and my fingertips to make sure it doesn't get too dark. But I love that there's both matte and a luminous shade in there. For lips, it is the iconic lightweight lipstick by Merit, and this is shade Baby, which is very similar to MAC's top seller Velvet Teddy. This shade is always sold out. Now I'm going in with L'Oreal Glowtion. You guys love this product. It's a #1 seller on Amazon, and I'm using shade Medium on the body. I want her chest and her shoulders to look lit from within so it matches the radiance of her face because I've used that Kjer Weiss Beautiful Primer. Now, for the delicate face area, I'm going to use Merit's highlighter in shade Bounce. This is a really gentle formula. It's clean beauty, so it doesn't have any weird chemicals in it, and I trust it for around the delicate eye area. The final icing on the cake is airbrushing a little bit of bronzer, and let's check in and see if Natalie likes it.
Okay, this is how I would have my hair and makeup every single day if it were up to me. full everything. That's what I would do if it.
Goddess,
if
you
it
would
was
do this
like
every day.
I would do this every day.
Would you do this look every day? Leave me a comment and let me know. Now it's time to get this model mom back in front of the camera. Sometimes our lives can get away from us because we're so busy living them that we forget ourselves. It's great to see Natalie reconnecting with that creative side that always expressed itself through modeling. How does it feel, Mom, Natalie, getting in it?
It feels good to kind of have a piece of my own life back.
Right?
For a minute. Well, now that they're kind of getting to this age, I feel like there's like a glimmer of, life ahead of me. So this is a glimmer for me.
I hope seeing this helps rekindle your glimmer. To see more of my makeup adventures, hit that little subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.